They're really easy steps to make a lot of money every month in profit from your online store. We know that it's a clickbait title, but we're completely curious. Welcome to E-commerce Know-How, and in this video, we're going to share with you some really easy steps to make money from your online store. The first step is starting an online store is setting up a legitimate business. The easiest way to do this is to register as an LLC or an S-Corp. The rules may slightly vary from region to region, but generally these are very easy to set up. While it may be tempting to skip this step, there is a major reason to go ahead and invest the time in getting it done. If you're selling products online, you don't want to be liable for a malfunction or defect. In the unlikely scenario that a product's dysfunction causes harm, your customer could attempt to sue you for the damages. If this happens, you want to make sure that your money, your house, and your livelihood are all protected. Having LLC or S-Corp status helps provide that protection. This is one big decision, so take your time and choose wisely. A high product price with a low competitive niche is perfect. Now, the reason you want to limit your options to high-ticket items is that doing so makes it much more likely you reach your goal.